What's the meaning of cost lettuce? Cost lettuce. Cost lettuce.
Cost lettuce. Cost lettuce. Cost lettuce, also known as romaine lettuce, is a type of lettuce that has a long head with loosely packed, crisp leaves. It is named after the Greek island of Kos, where it was first cultivated. Kos lettuce is commonly used in salads and sandwiches, and its sturdy leaves also make it a popular choice for wraps and tacos. It is a good source of vitamin A and potassium, and is low in calories, making it a healthy addition to any meal. Its slightly bitter flavor pairs well with tangy dressings and spicy toppings.